Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. It's Friday. There is 1 week left in the month, and so I had to pop in here and tell you guys about the incredible special that Stampin' Up! Is running right now for new demonstrators and the value behind it and all the amazing pieces that you get in this starter kit special. So it is the May special. Runs from May 1st through the 31st, so you've got 1 week left. And when you join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator on my team, let me share with you what you're going to get for $99, okay? So in addition to $125 worth of product that you get to pick out, which I'm going to share with you what you could pick, you're also going to receive this entire bundle. It's an $82 value for free, and it even ships for free. So what's included in this? It is all of the new In Color products. You're going to get all of these beautiful Stampin' Up! Classic stamp pads, Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, Shy Shamrock, and Summer Splash. These are part of their In Color collection. You're also going to receive the In Color Designer Series paper in 6x6, and look at these beautiful patterns. So you're going to get all of these colors. This one is the Summer Splash. This is Pretty in Pink. This is Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, and Peach Pie. Oh, I'm still learning the colors. Still learning the colors. But then within each color, what I did is I'm showing you the front and backs of these. So you're going to get 2 different patterns in each. They're reversible, and you're going to get 4 sheets of this pattern, and it's double-sided, okay? And then these are all the different colors. So this is quite a huge collection of Designer Series paper that is reversible. And it even notes on here, well, it doesn't note how many you get, but it does note that it's the 6x6. And then I had the 12x12 In Color cardstock, but you're going to receive the 8.5x11 ones. I'm just sharing for reference what they look like, just so that you can have a visual. But these are actually going to be the 8.5x11s. And again, it's in all of those In Color colors. You're getting 4 sheets of each color. So again, this is Summer Splash, this is Pretty in Pink, Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, and then Peach Pie. And then the last part of the bundle are the Stampin' Write markers in those In Colors. And I don't have them, so I don't have them to show you, but you can actually reference those. Let me just put that out of the way. If you're looking in the catalog, you can go to the very back of the catalog where the In Colors are, right in here, and you can see the markers assortment right here. So that is normally a $17.50 value, and that's what they look like, the markers. And you can see a better picture of them over here on page 136 as well. So let's talk about what can you get for the $125. Well, I have something really special to share with you. I've created a workshop for both scrapbooking and card making featuring the Unbounded Beauty collection, which pairs beautifully with the In Color collection. And so there are quite a few things that you can purchase. Sadly, the Sweet collection you cannot use with your $125 credit. You have to literally come up to $125, and you cannot go over that. But you can buy all of these pieces individually, and so I wanted to walk you through what those look like. So these are the In Color resin dots. That's what those look like. As you can see, I've been using them quite a bit. You can also get these In Color shimmer gems, and look at how beautiful those are. You can get the coordinating ribbon in all of those 4 colors. Again, this is the Shy Shamrock, this is Petunia Pop, this is it's over here on this side, Holly, Summer Splash, and then this is the Peach Pie. So you could get the ribbon to go with those In Colors. This is the Flower of Beauty stamp set, and this is the die. And when you get them together, you get a 10% discount, so you can actually use that towards your starter kit. For $54.75, you can get both. And what I did is I bought magnet sheets off of Amazon with the envelopes, and I put all of those dies from here onto these sheets. I've got 2 of them in here, and then I've got my photopolymer stamp on this side. And that way it's all together. I have another video showing you how to do that, so I'll make sure that I link that in the comments below. And then this is the Unbounded Love stamp set. And again, it has a coordinating die set. And I put that as well in here on 2 different magnet sheets in there. And then here is the photopolymer set. So between these, you've got a great collection. And then let me share with you the papers and the glimmer paper. So this is the glimmer paper, and look at how gorgeous that is. And as you can see, I've been using it. I love it. I love how it cuts. It doesn't shed and get onto your fingers. It cuts beautifully in a cutting machine. And then this is the Unbounded Beauty paper collection. These are the paper collections are now called Designer Series papers. So I'm trying to train myself, and I apologize for calling these collections when they're called DSP, Designer Series papers, and they are double-sided. So what I did is I just showed you the fronts and backs of all of these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers that will come in the Unbounded Beauty DSP. Again, another great product that you can purchase to coordinate with your in-color cardstock. So the stamp sets and the photopolymer stamp sets and the coordinating dies, you can get them in a bundle. And then down here you can get the resin dots, you can get the glimmer paper, and you can get the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series papers all individually. And they would go beautifully with your starter kit. But wait, there's more. Now I want to share with you the workshop that I created with all of these beautiful papers from the Unbounded Beauty collection. These are the cards. The workshop's are ready to go, so as soon as you join, you will get this guide from me, and it walks you through step by step, and then I have videos on YouTube that will actually walk you through how to assemble and put everything together. So those are the cards. And this is just like the tip of the iceberg of the inspiration that you will get with those stamps and dies. And then this is the 3 double-page 12x12 workshop that I have created with these. And again, the videos are on YouTube. The instructions and the guide is all ready to go. You'll make this double-page layout. I did add the Close to My Heart flip-flaps to it, but you don't have to do that. Just another idea for those of you that are still using those, and they are coming from Stampin' Up, so just stay tuned for that. This is the second layout, and again, I used flip-flaps. And the other thing that I used are the Memories and More cards. Sorry about Elsbells. She's really missing the boys right now. They moved out at the beginning of May, and she's really missing them, and so she loves to jump up on my table when I am recording. So I apologize for my sweet little girl. She misses her boys. But those are also another thing, and I can actually point those out to you in this catalog. These are the coordinating Memories and More cards that coordinate with the Unbounded Beauty collection, and it's called Unbounded Beauty Memories and More cards. So that's another thing that you could get with your starter kit to complement those. And then this is the last layout, and I'm especially fond of it because I just share with you how to take 3x3 squares, cut them down, and create this really fun geometric layout. And that's it. So seriously, you guys, if there was ever a time that you were thinking about joining Stampin' Up, maybe you were a demonstrator or a maker with Close to My Heart, and you were on the fence and you didn't know if you should come over to Stampin' Up, I'm here to tell you I am so thankful and grateful for the opportunity that Stampin' Up is giving us, because they are bringing over so many Close to My Heart products. We still have more Close to My Heart products that are going to be launching in June and July and August. And if you had an email account with Close to My Heart as a maker, as a VIP, or even as a customer at one time, you'll be able to purchase the Close to My Heart branded products from now until September. And just reach out to me. I would love to tell you more about my team, about what we do, how we do in-person events. We are actually doing one in August, which I am thrilled about, and how I support my team to be successful no matter what you want to do with your Stampin' Up! Business. If you want to just be a hobbyist and get the discount, that's great. I support those people. We do creative challenges. We're constantly sharing ideas. And then if you want to start this as a business and take this a step further, I will teach you not only how to do online events, but also in-person events and how to create a social media presence. So you're not alone in this journey, and I'm happy to walk you through how you can get started. So I wanted to also point you in the direction of my Stampin' Up! Website. You're going to go to holly.stampinup.net, and you're going to click these three little lines over here that say join, and you're going to scroll down, and it's going to share with you the benefits of joining Stampin' Up!, the starter kit special, what's included, and then how you're going to want to click that join button down here at the bottom. And step 2 is picking out $125 worth of product, which you'll be able to scroll through pages of what's available and click that join today. I would love to have you and welcome you onto my Keeping Memories Alive team. And that's it, you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope that you are celebrating with your families this weekend. For those of you in the United States, it's Memorial Day weekend, and it's a great way to kick off summer and the end of school for those of you that are already out. So thank you guys so much for joining me and Ellie. As you can see, she is really excited and wanted to be a part of this video. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for clicking like. Leave a comment down below. What are you going to pick with your starter kit? I am anxious to help you get started. And let's go. Have a great weekend, everyone.